The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Jefferson City Police Department. At 10:22 a.m. Central Standard Time, multiple reports of electronics malfunctioning have been received. The following devices are at risk of malfunctioning: cell phones, computers, laptops, televisions, and tablets. An unidentified frequency has caused these devices to malfunction. Civilians are advised to turn off these devices to prevent them from malfunctioning. Stay tuned for further updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Jefferson City Police Department. At 10:54 a.m. Central Standard Time, more reports of electronics malfunctioning have been received. The following devices are now at risk of malfunctioning: video game consoles, MP3 players, and cameras. The same unidentified frequency has caused these devices to malfunction. In addition, the devices affected by the frequency were reported to be overheating. Civilians are still advised to turn off these electronics to prevent them from malfunctioning. Stay tuned for further updates as they are received. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Jefferson City Police Department. The malfunctioning electronics are now reported to be exploding. The unidentified frequency is now affecting appliances, such as refrigerators, washing machines, dryers, and microwaves. These appliances are now at risk of exploding. The following actions must be taken: turn off all electronics. Unplug any appliances in your home. It is unknown. The following is an important news bulletin. It has been discovered that the frequency affecting residents in the city of Jefferson City is being emitted by an unidentified individual. Police were able to track down the suspect, but attempts to capture the suspect were unsuccessful. The suspect's location is unknown at this time. Stay tuned for more updates as they become available. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Jefferson City Police Department. A power transformer was reported to have exploded. A witness saw an individual fleeing the area before the explosion. The suspect is a white female, about 16 years of age, 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 133 pounds, with brown hair and green eyes. If you see an individual matching the description of the suspect, please dial 911 on a landline phone. Remember to turn off all electronics, and to unplug all appliances in your home. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Jefferson City Police Department. Residents in the city of Jefferson City, lock all of your doors immediately. Police are looking for a suspect who was last seen shooting at innocent civilians. The suspect has now been identified as Jenny Tatsu, a 16-year-old white female, 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 133 pounds, with brown hair and green eyes. She has a cybernetic right eye, and multiple metal implants on her body. She was last seen wearing a withered Japanese school uniform. Jenny was responsible for causing multiple electronics and appliances to malfunction, and for causing a power transformer explosion. Jenny is destroying anything in her path, and it is believed that she will cause another transformer malfunction. Please remain indoors, and do not let Jenny find you. You will be shot on sight. We interrupt our programming. This is a law enforcement warning. At approximately 12:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, the suspect, Jenny Tatsu, was last seen causing major damage to the city of Jefferson City. The latest incident involved a truck carrying toxic chemicals. Jenny was last seen firing multiple rounds at the truck, causing it to explode and spill chemicals into a city drain. A stronger frequency is being emitted by Jenny, which caused multiple televisions to lose signal. At this time, a large smoke cloud is covering